state itself and try to utilize that money so that it doesn't go to waste.
National People's Party President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has said the selection of candidates for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls will be based on winnability factor. Speaking to reporters on Friday, he informed that the party has already started the exercise. The party is screening a large number of aspirants for the Shillong parliamentary seat, he said. With regard to the Tura parliamentary seat, Sangma added that there is a certain consideration for the incumbent MP, Agatha K. Sangma.
And of course, as I said, if any individual, whoever is in the party, would like to apply for ticket, they can apply for the party ticket and we will examine it.
What about Tura parliamentary seat?
Again, the same process. We will go through a screening process. Of course, we have a sitting MP out there, and hence, obviously, there is a certain consideration for the incumbent and sitting MP. But again, as I said, we have a full committee that processes the entire ticketing. So therefore, that process will also happen for Tura also.
Meanwhile, Trinamool Congress leader